Alright, YouTube, to make a really good quality steak fajitas or tacos, you need the fajita mix in oil and Goya. And then you need the steak cooked in Old El Paso. I'll put a link to both videos in the description of this video so you can see how this was made. And let's go to the plate. Alright, YouTube, so we're going to take that Old El Paso steak and we're going to throw some down on each taco. Put as much as you want. Alright, so then take your fajita mix and put on the combination you want. It's all up to you. You want more peppers, add more peppers. You want more onions, add more onions. So you just want to throw that on there. And then to top it off, use a really good rustic cheese. And there you have it. You have steak fajitas by Old El Paso. It's that quick and that easy. Hit like, subscribe, and many more things to come.